Hello everybody, this is Joshua. So I'm going to show you in this video how to send emails to the people in your class and your professors using the communication class list option. So you could send emails just by going up here to email and going to email and making a new email. But then you would need to know your professor and your students' email addresses. And you may not know that right away, so this is just a fast and easy way to do that. First, we're going to come up here to Communications, and we're going to click on Communication, and we're going to go down to Class List. Now, the class list is going to allow us to see all of the people in our class. That's our professors and our classmates. To get to the page I'm on right now, if you don't know how to get to your EAP homepage, you're kind of come up to this 9 square box, click it, and then find your current EAP class. All right, you don't want to go to the online learning. You want to go to the actual EAP, English for Academic Purposes class. So I'm going to go to Communication, and I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to go to Class List, and I'm going to click that. Now it's going to give me a list of everybody. Now you can see that these students with the green dots beside their names, or professors as well, are online. That means that they're currently logged on to Fanshawe Online, from either from a computer or from their phone maybe. So we're going to notice down here that we've got these boxes. Okay. And if I click here, it's going to select everybody in the list. And if I click it again, it's going to deselect everybody. So if you know you want to send it to everybody except one person, you could go down and find that one person. And then you could click on their name, and then they would be gone. Okay. Now, up here at the top, we've got some different options. We can do everybody, in which case you'll see your professors and your classmates. You can go to staff, and that's only going to be your professors. And you can go to student, and that's just going to be the other classmates. So if you want to send an email to all of your professors, we're going to click staff. Then we can click this top button to select everybody, and then hit the email button, and it will bring up a new email. We can change the subject, we can write a letter, we can add an attachment down here, and then if we decide we do not want to put somebody in there, we can also remove them using this X. So I'll just send it to myself here. I'm going to come up here and click Send. And it has sent it. It's also good to know that you can just click on their names, and you'll see it says compose an email to this person. So if I just click the name directly, I can also email them. And here we go. I've got my new message from myself. So I can go to my email, and I can find it right here. Now, when I'm in my email, if I want to make a new email, I would come up here to compose, and then I would do it. But here, like I said, I would need to find the actual email address. So I could look at address book and go through and try to find somebody's email. But I think this is a little bit more complicated and difficult. There's also an address book over here. So this would also give you a bunch of emails if you want to do that. But I think for this, using communication and class list, and then finding students or professors or everybody, and emailing is the fastest way to send an email on Fanshawe Online. Thank you.